Okay, let's see what this one's going to be. I make it. I'm just going to keep it A4, stuff it. So this one is going to be an interesting one, maybe. I'm going to keep it at standard. Negative, positive. Background colour. What are we going to make it? Yellow. Yellow for a change. A happy colour. And let's see if we can just make this look good. Didn't beep at the end there. Funny things happen to photocopiers with me. So we're going to do a hue. Going to warm it up. I'm going here. Just the usual shit. And we're not going to touch the colour balance. We're just going to leave it. And let's see what we've got. We've got here Chiswick Plumbing. This is a fridge magnet, another fridgie. I've got heaps of fridgies. So we're just going to put this fridgie on the glass, just like so. Just straighten it up a bit. And it looks like it's a B6. So it's going to be larger than an A6. So hopefully we can do something good with this. So we're just going to go back here. And hopefully we can work out how big it is intuitively. So it's going to be less than 200%. So it's probably going to be 100, we'll call it 160%. And we're just going to hit start and see what happens. So hopefully our black background is going to be coloured yellow. It's a happy colour. I associate yellow with happiness. It's a cheery colour. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see how this fridgie looks. Well, this fridgie looks very brightly yellow and green and blue, or should I say greeny blue, but we'll just call it quits. Or maybe I should, or maybe we'll just call this one quits.